Hello everyone, today let's play a game with the Chinese character. So do you know what happened if 大 add one stroke? 给大只加一画的话会发生什么呢？ Let's see the first one. 大 you can add a dot. Write a dot and then 加一点. What is this character? Yes, it's Tai. Means very. It's a adverb. You can say 太好了 means very good. 太好了 And the next character, you can also add a dot. Add a dot here, it means dog. 犬 Its pronoun is 犬. 犬 means a dog in Chinese. You can say 幼犬. 幼犬 means the little dog, the puppy. So 幼犬 And the next is you can add a 横 and then write a dot, right? What is this character? It's 天. 天 means the sky. 天 and you can say 天空. 天空 means the sky. 天空 空 here. And the next, you can also add a 横, but it's in this way. But this p will close this 横, right? It means 夫. 夫 means the husband. 夫. You can say 夫君. 夫君 is the husband. But when you say 夫人, 夫人 it means the wife. 人 you can imagine that this 人 is belong to the husband. So this person is belong to the husband. So 夫人 means the wife. 夫人 Okay. So if you add one stroke to 大 and you can write 4 characters. The first one is Tai. Add a dot here. Next is 犬. Add a dot here. And the next is 天. So you add a 横 here. 横. And the next is 夫. Also add a 横, but this p should close this 横. So 夫. Okay, that's all of today's game. Hope that you can distinguish these characters and have fun. See you next video. Bye bye.